Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a premium feature that every developer will appreciate, and it's the div container element. The div element doesn't contain any of the common attributes of Visual Composer elements, so you can extend it with custom CSS or JavaScript. To add a div element, create a page with Visual Composer and add it from the element library here. You'll find it in the hub if you haven't downloaded it yet. You can add it as a root element without a row, and you can add any element inside the div element. Once it's added to the page, you can add an extra class name to refer to the element. You can add extra data attributes here, and here you can add custom CSS. You can add any other element inside the div container, including another div, to build more advanced layouts. The div element gives you extra freedom to extend Visual Composer with custom code. So head over to the element library to try it out, and I'll see you in the next one.